would a Hollywood star come to a little English village? From what or from whom is she running?
Traces of poison were discovered.
She knocked back the cocktail like a common bricklayer and died right in front of my eyes.
You accusing me? That's ridiculous.
Why didn't you just come out and say it? You think I killed her?
I'm afraid I've been behaving disgracefully. Some poor woman was murdered and I let myself go to pieces.
Can we concentrate on the events? Did you see anything suspicious?
I didn't see nothing. That's right. I didn't see nothing.
She looked as if she'd seen a ghost.
Who would want to harm her?
I'm just the secretary. Why would she confide in me? So you worked out who done it yet?
All I know for now is that nothing is as it seems.